In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website using Canva AI 2025. If you've ever thought about building your own online presence but felt overwhelmed by the complexity, worry no longer. Canva's innovative AI tools make it not only easy but incredibly fast to craft a professional-looking website. In this guide, I'll walk you through every step you need to take so you can have your site up and running in no time. Let's start by opening Canva. If you haven't already, log into your Canva account through your web browser. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the vibrant Canva homepage. From here, your next move is to select Canva AI. This option can typically be found in the navigation panel or highlighted on the main dashboard due to its popularity. Now, this is the exciting part where creativity and technology meet. Tell Canva what kind of website you want to create. Think about the purpose of your site. Is it for a personal blog, a portfolio, or maybe an e-commerce platform? Enter a brief description or key phrases that capture the essence of what you envision. Canva's AI is designed to understand and transform your ideas into a coherent starting point. Once you've described your dream website, go ahead and click Generate Website. This action instructs the AI to work its magic, laying down the framework of your site based on the details you provided. A few moments later, a preview of your website will appear on screen, crafted with the unique style and layout that Canva is known for, but we're not finished yet. While the AI provides a solid foundation, this is the stage where personalization comes into play. You can start customizing the overall design of your website, tweak colors, choose different fonts, and rearrange elements to suit your brand or personal taste. The user-friendly interface makes design adjustments feel intuitive, even for those with little design experience. If writing content isn't your strongest suit, you'll love this next feature. Use Canva AI to write or rewrite sections of your website. Simply select the text you want to generate or edit, and the AI tool will assist by suggesting professional-grade copy that fits your context. This feature is particularly useful for ensuring consistency in tone and style across your webpage. When your website looks exactly how you envisioned, it's time to go live. By clicking on Publish Website, your creation will be accessible to the world. Make sure to review everything once more. Nothing spoils the excitement of launching like missing details. And there you have it. With just a few steps using Canva's cutting-edge AI technology, you've created a visually appealing and functional website ready for visitors. Feel free to make future tweaks as your site evolves. Remember, the beauty of a digital presence is its adaptability. Happy creating!